let's go ahead and talk about setting up our shipping rates. To find your shipping settings, scroll up to the top here and click on Shipping. And let's click on Add Zone. For the zone name, let's enter United States. And then for the region, I'll look up United States again. Scroll down and check on the US. And then for our shipping method, let's click on Add Shipping Method. And here we can choose between free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. If you plan on offering free shipping, then you can go ahead and do that here. But if you want to charge a flat rate for shipping, go ahead and click on Flat Rate. Then click on Continue. And here you can set the cost. For example, I'll set my shipping to $10. Then I'll click on Create and Save. And now I have a flat rate shipping fee. Okay, so we now have the United States set up as our main shipping zone with a flat rate. Now let's handle shipping to the rest of the world. To do that, let's scroll up and click on the back button here. And here under Rest of the World, we're able to cover the shipping zones for everywhere else. And for the rest of the world zone here, this zone applies to any country that's not covered by your other zones. Depending on your store, you might not want to offer international shipping, or you might choose not to if it's too expensive. This is totally up to you. If your main customers are inside the United States or whatever country you're primarily selling in, you don't have to configure this. For now, I'll just leave the rest of the world zone as it is because I only plan on selling inside the US.